Hey guys, today's video is going to be on my planning essentials. These are the things that I absolutely have to have in order to plan my best life. So the first thing is my social media planner. I use this planner to plan out my videos for Instagram and for YouTube, and to decide what's coming up next, what posts I'm going to do, and it just helps me stay on track across the board for both of my businesses. The next one is my budget planner. I use this planner to keep my money on track. I will budget in it weekly, and so I'll have savings goals in here, debt goals, things that I'm going to pay off. It's helped me stay on track with my money. And the last one is my Glam is my jam, which is my everything. This is the one that I carry around with me, and I will take a month out of the social media planner and the budget planner and put it into this planner so that I can only have to carry around this particular one. The next thing is my whiteboard. I absolutely love this whiteboard. It helps me to plan out my videos and make sure that I am staying on track and staying on top of the different things that I need to do for my channel. Next are Postit Notes. As you can see, I use them on my whiteboard. I use them in my bullet journal. I use them on my notebooks, on my computer. Everywhere, I'm always using those. My tool notebook. This notebook helps me keep track of all of the notes that I have on the different areas of my life. It's kind of where I'll put my goals and write out different things for videos. I usually will jot them down in this notebook, and I love it because you can take the pages out and move them around. So it's one of my favorites. Then is my bullet journal. I love my bullet journal because it's where I mostly write out my notes from books and different things that I've learned from reading, and then I'll kind of put them in motion based on what I wrote down there. So next up is my pens. I absolutely love this pen case and these pens. These are a few of my favorites, which include the Paper Mate Flare, the Inkjoy 0.7, some Sharpie highlighters. I really love these, and I love this case. It kind of keeps everything organized and together, and I can even keep my Postit Notes in the top flap, which I really do love that. So if you're interested in this case or any of these pens, I will put them in the description box below so you can purchase them. This is my stickers, which I love. Happy Planner stickers. I collect sticker books. I don't have many, but I am working up my collection now. And I also have my own personal sticker sets because I have my own sticker shop. This is my washi tape. I don't have a lot of washi tape because I'm not like huge into it as some other planner girls. However, I do have a few that I keep next to my desk because I'll use them when I need them, especially in like my bullet journal. And then these are my colorful budget dots. I make these in my own sticker shop, and I love them because they make my monthly spread really colorful when I am budgeting. The half sheets from Happy Planner. I use these in my planner in order to keep track of all of my orders and the supplies that I need from my Etsy shop. So that's kind of how I keep track of everything, and it has been working really well. So that's all of my planner essentials, and this little clip is from my flip through, which I will link above. So if y'all have any planner essentials that you absolutely love that you have to have, make sure you leave it in the comments below, as I would love to try new products, and let me know if there's anything that I missed. So until next time, guys, I hope y'all will subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video if you want more like it. Until next time, guys, bye.